nasa Villamor Air Base pa rin si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte matapos arestuhin pagbalik sa bansa galing sa Hong Kong. Inaresto siya sa bisa ng arrest warrant sa International Criminal Court. Kaugnay niyan, makakausap natin si Attorney Israelito Torion, isa sa mga kaalyado ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Attorney Torion, can you hear us? Magandang tanghali po.
Yes. Magandang tanghali po, ma'am.
Okay,
yes,
bahagi po kayo ng legal team ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Nasa loob po ba kayo ng Villamor Air Base or papunta pa lamang po doon?
Nandun kami kanina with Attorney Vic Rodriguez and Philip Salvador pero hindi kami nakapasok. But yung kasama ko po, si Attorney Martin Delgra, ay nakapasok po, nandun siya sa loob together with ES Medialdea. And I am in constant communication with ES Medialdea insofar as the actions that we will undertake concerning the matter. And this is a matter of urgent necessity that we should be able to do within a few minutes from now.
But sabi nyo nga po in constant communication kayo with dating ES Medialdea. Kamusta raw po ang dating Pangulo?
Well, he is okay so far, and a while ago I was informed that he was read his rights under the 1987 Constitution. He was properly informed by, I don't know if it was proper, but he was informed by General Torre of his rights as an accused. And binasa po sa kanya ata yung warrant na galing sa ICC. And yun, so far ang nangyari a few minutes ago doon po sa loob.
So, mayroon na po kayong kopya, nakita na po ang kopya ng warrant of arrest. Kasi nung una, sinasabi po na wala raw ipinakita.
May pinapadala po sa akin. May pinapadala sa akin sa Attorney Martin Delgra and I have yet to see it. It was just sent to me 5 seconds ago. And I have to look into it. I have not even read it. Because I have to inform the public through you.
Okay.
Yes.
Attorney Torion, ano po ang next legal step po ninyo?
Well, definitely there is going to be one. If the documents are signed, I will inform you, Ma'am Sherry, because that is the instruction given to me by Attorney Vic Rodriguez. He trusts you, so in effect, we trust you also.
All right. Ngayon po, doon po sa naging proseso bilang abogado po ni dating Pangulo, ay may nakita po ba kayong nalabag na karapatang pantao niya?
Yes, marami po. Because if we will look at the Rome Statute, no, specifically Article 127, Paragraph 2, no, we already withdrew from the Rome Statute as early as 2019. And the effectivity was March 17 of 2019 because if my memory serves me right, we notified the the United Nations of our withdrawal from the Rome Statute as early as March 17 of 2018. And 1 year after that is supposedly the effectivity of the withdrawal from the Rome Statute. And under Article 127, Paragraph 2 thereof, only matters under consideration should subsist under the jurisdiction.
Attorney Torion? Sorry po. Attorney Torion? Attorney Torion? Ito po,
Yes,
kasama
yes.
na natin muli sa linya si Attorney Torion, isa sa mga legal counsel po ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Naputol po kayo, Attorney Torion.
Yes.
Doon po,
As I was saying,
yes, go ahead.
As I was saying, last March 27 of 2018, no,
Apo.
the Secretary General of the United Nations received the notification from the Philippine government formally submitting our notice of withdrawal from the International Criminal Court of the United Nations. If my memory serves me right, it was Enrique Manalo, the permanent representative of the Republic of the Philippines, submitted the same in the United Nations in New York and deposited the note verbal to Maria Luisa Roberto Viote, Chef the Cabinet of the United Nations Secretary. What does that mean? So the withdrawal therefore took effect on March 17 of 2019, 1 year after notification as per Article 127, Paragraph 1 of the Rome Statute. And if you will read Article 127, Paragraph 2 of the Rome Statute, a withdrawing state remains obligated only with respect to matters already under consideration by the court before the withdrawal becomes effective. Now, was the unilateral action on the part of the prosecutor's office can be considered legally as under consideration by the ICC? That is no, an emphatic no, because when you say under consideration, it must be under judicial consideration. It must be an action on the part of the pre-trial chamber of the International Criminal Court so that it can bind the Philippines. So therefore, since it was merely a unilateral action on the part of the Office of the Prosecutor in conducting an alleged investigation into the war of drugs, then therefore it cannot bind the Republic of the Philippines, and the Philippines should be considered as out anymore from the Rome Statute, and therefore ICC has no longer jurisdiction over the Republic of the Philippines. And what it is doing now, no, the Philippines should not anymore cooperate with the ICC, and what is doing now is illegal. That is our humble opinion on the matter. And we hope and pray that the authorities of the Republic of the Philippines will realize this so that reason would prevail and justice would prevail in this country.
Attorney Torion, eto pong mga iaapela, the legal remedy, saan po ito iaapela? Sa ating Korte Suprema or sa, paano po ba yan?
Well, ganito na lang po.
Opo, para
Kailangan
maintindihan.
siguro sabihin, no?
Oo.
While he is still here, no, kailangan kaming dumulog sa Korte Suprema. And
Okay.
that's what we are actually doing right now. So after this interview, I will do something. And I hope and pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be with us. I'm with Attorney Vic Rodriguez
yes.
and Philip Salvador. And we will go to Camp Villamor
Opo.
and try to do something so that this will become a reality po. We are hoping and praying that the rule of law will prevail and that justice would reign in our country.
Attorney Torion, sabi nyo nga po ay may mga papipirmahan pa kayong dokumento kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. After po yan na mapirmahan ay dadalhin na po sa Korte Suprema?
I will talk to you after everything. No, we have to discuss this with the president, and ultimately, the decision lies with the president, with the former president Rodrigo Duterte.
Hingi na lamang din po kami ng update.
Yes, I will definitely give it to you.
Apo, Attorney Torion, ngayon po ay nananatili sa Villamor Air Base si Pangulong
Yes.
Duterte. May balita po ba kayo kung ililipat siya? Kung saan man?
A while ago, an hour ago, I heard that the Philippine Air Force, of course, this cannot be confirmed yet. No?
Apo.
Marites pa lang po ito. Naghahanap daw ata sila ng malaki na eroplano. Of course, we can only speculate that they may be planning to bring him to The Hague. And I would like to make an announcement to the PNP. You may be violating, even if granting ex argumenti gratia, that ICC still has jurisdiction over the affairs in the Philippine Republic. They should be reminded under Article 59, Paragraph 2 of the Rome Statute. It states that a person arrested shall be brought promptly before the competent judicial authority in the custodial state, which shall determine in accordance with the law of that state that there are three matters. The warrant applies to that person. Second, the person has been arrested in accordance with the proper process, and the person's rights have been respected. So it is our humble contention that granting ex argumenti gratia, that ICC still has jurisdiction, though we do not concede that. No? Under Article 59, PNP or CIDG should bring him to the competent tribunal in the custodial state to determine these three matters. And apparently, they have forgotten about this, and it is our right to remind them and demand them to comply with this Article 59, even if we politely and strongly insist that the ICC has no more jurisdiction over affairs in the Republic of the Philippines.
But so far, ano po ang update nyo rin, Attorney Torion, on how the former president is being treated by our authorities?
Well, that I cannot say with certainty because when we went with Attorney Martin Belgrad to Terminal 3, we met Senator Bongo there with former Labor Secretary
Silvestre Bello. All right. Okay. Attorney Torion? All right. That was Attorney Torion.